Hi guys, good morning. So it's 2nd August today and the time right now is actually around 11 a.m. Yeah, I got a little dressed up even though you can't see. I wore like a basic black Zara top, but I got a little dressed up from my face. So now we are going to be going to Big Bazaar because there's a baby in our apartment and we are going to buy her a dress and we're also going to be running a few errands. Oh, you can't see me. So yeah, we are going to be going to Big Bazaar, then have lunch and come back. And my room is like such a hot mess. So I gotta come back and clean my room and look at this guy. How cute he is. You know, he's such a spoiled dog. He's almost turning 2 in October and till now he hasn't stayed alone at home ever. There is at least one person staying with him and 99% it's me. Everyone at my home, literally leaves me at home and they go out because this little dog has to stay alone. And yeah, my mom keeps defending him and look at him, he's so cute. Like I can't stop looking at him. So yeah, that's why I'm on the floor. And even now he's not staying alone, don't worry, my brother is there at home. So let's go. He's my small baby. Okay, let's go. And there's my mom. Hi. Where is my mom? Mom, hi. Mom, hi. Hi. Look, he left me. I slept on the floor for that guy and he left me. Bye. Bye. Bye, Louis. Bye. Let's go. My mom's coming. This is so pretty, but we don't have a size. Like my mom wants XL, but there's L. Mom, I'm taking it. So heavy and we are walking like this. So this thing is not working, so I'm letting the basket slide by itself. Push it. Okay, come. Like look, my basket is doing its own work. It's coming on its own. Haha, it's not moving actually. If you can see, it's not moving. And it's so heavy, like I can't even lift it. So I asked him to come by itself. Here it comes. Good. Chalo. Look at this guy. He just came back home and look at him. Mummy chalo. Chalo. Mummy chalo. Louis chalo. Mummy chalo. 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 Bye, Louis. So guys, by mistakenly in place of mocha frappe, I said cafe mocha, and I'm having a hot coffee with my lunch. Like, can you believe it? I was supposed to order cafe mocha frappe and not cafe mocha. Like, what's wrong with me? So here's our Alfredo pasta, peri peri fries, peri peri fried chicken burger, one cafe mocha and one mojito. So basically this is our lunch, and this is the thing which I ordered wrong. This is for my mom. So yeah. Hi guys, so I'm re-recording this for the second time. I recorded the entire thing and somehow nothing got saved. I even pressed the record button, I don't know what. Anyway, so we are back home. We had our lunch. I'm like so full, I can't even tell you. So I couldn't really vlog properly in Big Bazaar, right? So I thought, why not do like a super quick haul. So the first thing is actually this dress. We went to Big Bazaar only to buy one dress, and we ended up buying so much. So we went to actually buy a dress for the little one. So this is how the dress looks like. It has this really nice butterfly detailing, and it's like, yeah, it's super pretty and cute. This was actually my selection. My mom liked something else, but I wanted to give it this one because this was more nice and elegant. That girl is actually 3 months old, and my mom got her the dress of 5 to 6 year old. I have no idea why. It opened up. So yeah, this is the first thing which we got. Then I got a huge ass lace packet. We also bought a few things necessary for home, but I'll try to skip them because why get into boring stuff. A huge ass blue lace packet. And then there was this thing from Tasty Treat. This is the Desi Masala Magic. I never really tried it out, but this was on sale. This is actually retails for 65 rupees, but in sale we got it for 44 rupees or something. So I picked two of them up. And then I picked up the Top Ramen curry noodles. I actually heard a lot about it. I hear this product is super hyped. I never really tried it out, but I wanted to take the small packet, but it was not available. So I thought, why not give it a try? And I picked this one up. And then we have this one. This is the Britannia cake fudge chocolate brownie. Again, never really heard about it or tried it out, so wanted to give it a try. So that's why I picked it up. And then we have these. So these are onion rings. I love the onion rings which you usually find in the hot chips shop, right? So I really wanted to give this one a try. I hope these are as good as those. I got that. And then some bowling stuff. I got some toothbrushes, and there is some home essentials, some peanuts and all. I think why get into all of that boring stuff. And coming to the next packet, we bought these two huge packets, and this each bags actually, each bag was for 19 rupees. I think it's a little more, but I should have carried my own bag, but at least it's not plastic, so it can be reused, so it's fine. Then coming to this bag, my mother bought this huge tissue papers ka dabba. Actually, I wanted to buy these in IKEA. They were in really nice pretty pink green color, but they were a little expensive. This one is for 160 rupees for these many. I don't know if they are a set of, yeah, they are 150 pulls. So yeah. And also there was some offer in Big Bazaar. If you shop for 2000 above, you're going to be getting 3 kgs of free sugar. So our order was around 5000 rupees. So we got we got around 6 kgs of free sugar. To be honest, in our home we hardly use sugar. Like, we eat a lot of cakes, pastries and sweets, but we don't really use, my dad doesn't drink sugar at all. Even we don't really have a habit of having tea or coffee every single day, so sugar is like very little use in our house. And also I got these mugs. How cute is this one? I really like it. So this one was for 180 rupees, but it was like a buy one get one free, if you can see. So I got two of them. of the same color. So basically whenever my friend or especially Charan comes home, I get so confused because every single mug is of different shape, different size, and no two mugs look same. And it is weird to have one to have coffee in one cup and serve it in another looking cup. It's weird. So I just pick two cups, one for me and one for Charan when he comes home for coffee. And there's a wait. Yeah, that's what my mom kept a few things at inside. So I got this hairband. It is super cute and it's pink. It's very basic, but I don't own anything like this, so it's going to come like this. Of course I have to put it from under se, but this is how it looks like. I felt it was super cute and I don't really own anything like this, so that is one. My mom picked up a hairbrush from Vega because I really feel if you straighten your hair, like rather than using that brush, this brush is more simpler and it is easier to untangle your hair. So we picked this one up. So if you have seen my haul, I also already have a clip. So I picked up this set of plazos for one of the dresses which we already have. This is how it looks like. This one was for 999 rupees, but it was on 50% off, so we got it for 500 rupees, which is such a steal. If you can see, even the material is really nice. It has a texture of like raw silk. So this is the plazo pant, and this is another kurti which I picked up. I know I hardly wear kurtis, but you know, I do buy a lot of kurtis, but I never wear them. But you know, me and my mom, we share our kurti. So this is how the kurti looks like. It is super pretty. I like the color, and yeah, it looks super decent also when you wear it to temples or you know, to a little functions here and there. So I picked this kurti up, and this one was for 799 rupees only, and it did not really have any discount. So yeah, that is my mini. Hi guys, so I'm cleaning my room, and all of these boxes had a lot of things in them. So I placed everything in my wardrobe, and yeah, it's still a little mess. And here are a lot of products which are still there to unbox. So I have to film a video on these, and then I can unbox all of them. Like I can place them in their respective places. And here I cleared all of these up. This was lying here forever now, and yeah, they're finally clean. And here are my weights, and this is a little section, and this is what I've done until now. And yeah, even this place is like a huge mess right now, so gotta clear that up too. And yeah, a lot of cleaning is going on, so I'll clean everything up and I'll be back. Hi guys, so here are my waffles. Actually I wanted to eat these in the afternoon only, but I was too full, so I just took a takeaway anyway. So this is like chocolate overload. Everything is like too much, you know. They are like big as bowls, and I'm so excited to try them out. But although I like my waffles a little crispy, and they became a little, not a little, they became way too soft. But all of this are so yummy, like my mouth is watering. So yeah, this is my dinner, and I'm also watching this movie. I know it's been a while, but I never really ended up watching it. And here's my baby. So yeah, this is my dinner. So I'm planning to put everything on the top only, you know, like this. Oh my god, how delicious does that even look? Like, wow. This, I don't know how to add it. Like, wait, I'll try. So basically I just added it on the top, and I'm spreading. There is actually one more waffle below, but I'm planning of eating like this so that you know it comes together. So yeah, and here goes the ice cream. Wow, I feel like I made it. Like, it's like a really cute activity to do. Come on. Hi and hi. Of course I wanted to show you my face. Look at this. Like, wait, let me just quickly give you like a taste test. Look. So good, like so good. Wow, it really feels like chocolate heaven for me. Hi guys, good evening. The time right now is around 6 p.m. and me and my mom, we are heading out to buy a few masks for the wedding. We don't really have like really nice fancy looking masks, so we are going to go and try to find few. We are just going to be checking few local stores, but because we don't really want to invest a lot on them. And also I want to buy a phone case for my phone, so let's see if we can do all of that. And I'm wearing this super easy peasy regular sweatshirt, and yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so welcome back to my dining table. So basically the first place, we didn't really go specifically for the masks in this place. We went to buy vegetables and there were some interesting masks there, so we just masks, it is so fun to pronounce it out. So we just picked like 4 masks there. Let me just show you all of them. This is the first one. This is how it looks like. It is a white mask which has this what do I say, thread pattern going on both the sides. So this is the first mask which we picked up, and then we picked up this pink, and this was for some 200 rupees if I'm not wrong. This is the second mask. This is in this really nice beautiful dark pink color. I actually picked this one up because it's super pretty, and this one was for 225 rupees. To be honest, all of these masks were pretty reasonable. I saw a lot of masks on Nykaa Fashion, everything, and everything, almost everything was about 1000 rupees, and I was like, 1000 rupees plus for a mask? Then after seeing these prices, they seem pretty decent, but now that I think of it, 200 rupees for a mask is also pretty expensive. Then we picked this mask up. It is pretty simple. It has got this really nice rose detailing on one side and a single rose on the other, and this one was for 130 rupees if you can see. And then we picked up this last mask. This is in light blue color. Again, there is like a huge pattern of flowers on one side and just one flower on the other, you know, similar like focus. So there were a lot of such similar masks on Nykaa, but they were like so super expensive, like I can't even tell you, and there were hardly any designs. So all of these masks were like pretty convincing for me and my mom, so we just picked them up. And as I was telling you, my mom is like so picky. She didn't really find anything basically, I mean the cases. So I picked up 2 iPhone cases. The first one is actually this one. I really wanted, I am into holographic patterns still, so I wanted to pick something up like this. So this is how it looks like. It has flowers, like focus. This is how it looks like. It has this holographic thing, but you know, it can be removed basically. Wait, it can be removed if you want, but I didn't like that part. That guy was kind of raving about it. You can remove it and all, but I didn't want to remove it obviously, because this is how the phone looks nice. I've seen a lot of such cases online and they cost like literally over over 1,000 rupees again, and here I got it for like a much lesser price. And then I got another thing for my cousin's wedding. So it is this case. It like, let me just quickly open it and show it to you guys. So this is how the case looks like. It has got like a, wait, I'll put it on my, actually I forget, you know, I'm usually, I don't know if you can hear me, I'm usually used to, you know, filming on my phone, right? I forget that I can use a phone when I'm not vlogging. So let me just quickly put it on my phone and actually show it to you. So this is how it looks like. It has got all these really nice stones on it, so that, you know, I can use it on my wedding like one of a jewelry. So I picked this one up, and I'll also show you how the other case looks like, because I was so super excited for this one. I have been wanting a case like this for a while now, but everything on online yeah, look how pretty does this look, but I'm scared that the paper is going to tear at some point of time. You know, I have this weird habit of always removing the case and putting it back in, so if that goes on, the paper inside is going to tear in no time. But I really like this one. I really wanted it for like super long. I hope the camera is recording, or else all this blabber for nothing and I have to re-blabber everything. Hi guys, it's actually around 12 a.m. and I'm really hungry. I don't know what's wrong with me, but for the past few days I'm extremely hungry. So I've decided to make myself some top ramen curry noodles. As I've already mentioned, I've never ever tried them out in my life. So I'm super excited to make them. So once they are made, I'll give you like a quick review. I know most of you might have already eaten it before, but let me not give you like a review, okay? I'll tell you my opinion. So guys, this thing is like almost ready. So let's eat it. I'm like so hungry, like I can't even tell you. It looks pretty bland for me because you know I'm more of like a extremely spicy girl. I add in a lot of spices in my Maggi too. So yeah, it does seem a little bland for me, but yeah, we'll give it a try. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen and I'm sorry for the weird lighting. So here's my noodles. I should have taken a smaller bowl, but it is what it is. I know a lot of you might have already tasted it, but it's my first time. So I would like to give my opinions as I do most of the time, although I don't like people giving any opinions to me. But do not take this opinion whatsoever. It's not even an opinion. I'm giving you a taste test. Okay, again, it's midnight and I'm high on not even coffee today. I haven't had coffee, but I still can't sleep and I'm super hungry. I heard a lot of people rating this over Maggi, but I really think it's pretty average. Not really my cup of tea. I would totally pick Maggi over this and add my own masalas. I wanted to keep the essence of it. You know, if I had my own masalas, I would never know the OG taste of it. So, yeah, it's pretty decent to be honest. Okay, bye guys. I already told you bye guys for like 100 times today, but now really bye guys. I'll go have my ramen, top ramen noodles, and probably sleep. Good night. So guys, now that I had some hot, I wanted to have some sweet and I really wanted to eat another one of these chocolate brownies. It's so late now, I should probably stop eating, but I don't know, you know, I developed this weird habit. So we are going to heat this up in my beautiful oven and we are going to be having this and sleeping next. Promise, like promise. Here it goes. Let me put like 30 seconds. I think it will be more than enough. And there's my beautiful brownie. And here it comes. Look at it. Can you hear the sound? Wow. It looks delicious, but it doesn't taste as good as it looks like, to be honest. Switch off the switch. Let's go. Promise I'll see you tomorrow now.